got some pancakes. Everything's taking it for a little spin. Alright, everyone's gone. Alright, let's just get this day started. We're gonna be camping in the mountains again, all the way up there. And we're gonna do a little rule today. Only one bag. Can't carry anything else. Last time we had to go 5 times there and back through the trails to get camp set up. But this time we're doing a 1 backpacking challenge. And yeah, it's gonna be hard, but we'll see if we can survive the night because can't bring a lot of stuff. So hopefully you don't run out of food or anything. Gonna take a quick shower and then see you guys when my friends arrive. I wonder what I'm gonna wear today. I can wear some chaotics, some black chaotics, some white chaotics, some washed chaotics. You know what? I'm gonna go for the black chaotics. It's perfect time to mention our new drop, Chaotix TV core shirts. Right now, we got all types of colors, but main colors, white and black. But yeah, let's just get the day started. Represent the brand, guys. Get into it. Right now, got all the bikes here. We're just gonna do a quick little ride over here. Got Maddox on the, oh my God. Oh yeah, buddy. Hey, look at this guy's little bike.
Oh, his name's Kia.
His name's Kia. If any police want to get his bike. GoPro's not working today, sadly. Couldn't mount it. I had a bit of a crash, fell off. But yeah, I gotta get a new mount now. But yeah, we're gonna go. It's gonna be sick today, and then we're gonna head straight to camping. So it's gonna be a sick video. Gangster, huh?
What's up, YouTube?
Alrighty.
We're at this crazy Belera spot. You can barely see the view. We just passed about 5 cops and none of them cared.
None. They don't care about the dirt bikes.
They gave up.
Yeah, we're right here now. But a cool little view spot. It's like a trials park. Let's go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Good job. Good job.
Here, Papa got it ready for you. Let's go, baby.
Papa got it.
Let's go, my son. Let's go, my son.
Alright, just got back. Bike's in charge. Right now, we're just gonna start packing up for camping. It's around like 7. Should be up there by 8. Yeah, we're gonna go up there, have a blast, make a sick fire. There's no fire ban right now, so that's good news. Alrighty, we are finally done packing. Got the sleeping bag, got the chairs, got the tent and chargers and everything. Other stuff down there, cooker. Can't forget about the beef jerky. And then screw this thing. This is for your camping thing to not get moist, but that can't fit. Dude, this challenge is hard, but made it happen. Getting pretty dark, as you can see, so it's gonna be a tough challenge spending the night. Alrighty, got everything packed up. Now I just gotta get the food and let's just head out. Alright, just made it up. Got all the gear, the bikes, and Noah's bike's up there. We're trying to find a place to set up camp right now. Oh my God. Oh! This place is steep. Look at that view. Oh yeah, chaotix. Everyone's got their different camp spots. Mine's gonna be right here, and then camp's gonna be down there with all the wood and stuff. Doing a late night walk. Gonna go grab some gas we forgot to start the fire. And yeah, this place is dark as hell and there's a lot of bears in the area, so we gotta be careful. Finally came to the tent. Oh, it was hard, don't have too much stuff. Pretty hard challenge. But yeah, either way, right now we're gonna be going out. I missed it, but we saw a bear coming. One of my buddies almost hit it, but either way. But yeah, we're grabbing a bunch of wood right now. We're gonna go chop some wood and then we're gonna make a nice campfire, cook up some food. And yeah, it's gonna be hard because we're gonna bring too much food, didn't bring too much water. Here, buddy, just
cutting some wood, bro.
Oh yeah, you got a big pile over there. A little pile, but yeah. Got this big axe. Let's go. Out of the way, boys. Big Ultra Beast coming through. Alrighty. Park her up here for the night. She'll be doing good. Got the fire going. Got the boys working hard over there, grabbing their wood. Good stuff. Oh my God. In the meantime, chilling, waiting for the food to get done. Gotta cook up some food. And yeah, how you doing, boys?
Chilling, bro.
But yeah, tomorrow we got a long day ahead of us. Selling the 85, sad to go, but saving up for my M4. I have to pick either the money's towards an M4 or I get a brand new 2026 YZ250F. But yeah, leave in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Right now, about to go for a little night ride. Got the Red Bull. It's gonna be sick. All the bikes are over there. Got all the bikes. Got the Ultra Bee. This is sick. Came for a little night ride. All right, so right now, we're just on the way back to the campsite. We'll be there in a bit. Morning time. How you doing, Maddox?
Tired.
Rough sleep. But yeah, I didn't get 1 minute of sleep, but it was good for the experience. Just got to ride with all this stuff back. And yeah, hey Maddox, grab the bike, buddy. Everyone's got their camping bag. We're just gonna go for some breakfast right now. It's gonna be fun.
Alright, guys. Now we're about to go to IHOP for some breakfast.
Bike's in charge right now. We're gonna go head to some breakfast. This should be done when we get back. Currently at IHOP right now. Just gotta grab some food and straight to dirt biking soon. Oh yeah, here at IHOP. Got some pancakes, everything's good. Alright, we are in the M4 right now. Doing a little test drive. This car is awesome, man. We're just taking it for a little spin. This car is awesome. This thing jumps. And yeah, this is definitely gonna be my choice of car for the future. Grabbing Sum's bike. I'm gonna drive Sir to the crib, and then we are putting on his Guts seat cover, and we're gonna put on his brand new light he got from Chaotic Steelers. Yo, where is this kid going? You got a YouTube video. Watch these wheelies, boys. You guys are probably wondering why I'm in this car right now. This guy freaking kicked me out.
All over!
Boom, right there. Brand new seat cover for my buddy Sam. This little princess wanted purple for his bike, so had to get him purple to match.
What is your reaction, Sam?
Bang! Yo, come here. I'm filming. Yo! Oh my God. These guys have been working on this bike for 1 hour. Pull up your pants, buddy. For 1 hour already. Right now, we're just about to get picked up by Antonio. We're gonna go to this car meet, see what this guy's talking about, seeing if it's good. But yeah, I'm gonna record some sick YouTube content there. But yeah, it's pretty sick today. Went from camping, dirt biking, and then now the car meets. All right now, finally got picked up by Antonio. We're about to be going to the car meet. So what it is Antonio's sister, Amalia, Car Girls BC. Check them out on Instagram and TikTok. They do like car meets. It's like girls only, but he's the brother, so we're invited, I guess.
We got all the stuff set up. So.
We gotta go. Yeah, we were the setup people. So yeah, it's gonna be sick. We're gonna see a lot of people are starting to show up. We've got M4 comps waiting over there. M8. Oh, this place is sick. Definitely check it out for the future ones. Car Girls BC. Big man himself getting out of the car. Got the one and only Brendan right here. This is my boy Tyler. Check him out. What's the IG?
Hold on.
What's the IG? You gotta have it prepared. Venus GTI. Where? Let's see it. Okay. There he is. What's that name? F30. Check him out.
EA AAA swap coming soon.
Go check it out.
EA AAA swap coming soon. First EA AAA 335.
All right, everyone's. Oh my God! Listen to that thing. But yeah, everyone's packing up. It's done. But yeah, it was awesome.
Oh, there she is. She's broken. So instead of fixing her, spending 200, we're buying a new.
And this guy convinced me to buy a gun. Not only a gun, upgraded mag, upgraded battery.
Look at this bad boy.
Spending a good amount of money that I shouldn't have. But it's okay. It'll be sick for the YouTube videos. Tomorrow we are gonna be messing around with these, so stay tuned. Oh yeah, buddy. Couldn't get that one fixed. Here's yours. There's mine. Oh yeah.